Hi, I'm Jerry Drager, Drager's International Classic Sales in Burlington, Washington. I want to show you this 1966 Mustang Fastback we have in here. It's a nice car. It's not been played with. It's still got a single exhaust system on it. You don't find that too often. Anybody who's been playing with it would have had a dual exhaust system on it, but it's never been done. And so it's just still got that single. Anyway, it's a neat little car, 289 automatic with power steering. It's clean, it runs good. So it's got just stock Mustang hubcaps on it. Did we put new tires on this?
Yep, they're brand new.
So we got brand new tires on this car. And you can see it was in Pennsylvania in 1984. Got a sticker on there from Pennsylvania. So it hasn't been played with too much. Most people probably would have taken that sticker off maybe. And you can look down the sides. It looks good, straight. The paint's nice on it. Everything looking good. Now it's been filled in on both sides on here, so it's had some repair in there. I don't remember, we have any rust or anything on this thing?
I don't remember the floor pans, but
yeah, I don't think there was anything underneath. So you can just see it all looks good here. Same with this side here. So you can see it's got a red interior in there, the bucket seats in there. That all looks good. The dash looks good. Carpets look good. The back end, we got the seat folded down, and it all looks good. The headliner looks good. I think you'll find this is a very presentable car. It's not a showpiece by any manner or means. Doors close good on it. So I think you'll find it's a decent car to own and drive. So let's see the headlights. See, they work, the turn signals. I don't think the backup light works on this thing. The wipers, they're electric wipers on there. 2-speed too, okay, super. The horn does not really work. It kind of wants to make noise, but nothing happens. There's a turn signals. You can see they work. Brake lights. And the brake light works. The backup lights do not work. So this car was hit in the back end and the front end. Maybe it would happen both at the same time. So that fender right there has been replaced, and the same with this one here has been replaced. And maybe that's why there's no vent drains in there. And they did some work on here a little bit. I don't know what anybody did on there, but everything looks decent and solid. That's an old tank, I would say. I don't know, we didn't replace it or anything, so it's been worked on there, but it still has the hole there and everything. And as you can see, there's the back right there. So it's had some issues. It's had some repair, but you know, they did a good job on it. It looks good. I don't see anything on the outside here at all that telltales on it. So you can see right here where they put the weld in right there. They welded that piece in, and you can see that frame piece down there. I don't see anything that's happened to that. I don't think there was any problem there. So it may have gotten front and rear at the same time. But this all looks good. The VIN number is right here where it's supposed to be. And those get replaced a lot of times when they get bad damage. So it hasn't been played with, and we have no damage here. So I'm assuming it just got hit on the front end and back end.
Yeah, I don't know if this has been replaced either. The core support,
Yeah.
it looks like it's original.
Yeah, I know. That all looks good there. No way of knowing, but the other side's got the same piece in over there. Can you see it way down there? Yeah, right there. It's the same thing where they've added on to the front of it.
But
so nothing in the suspension or anything. It's just on the front.
It tracks down the road nice and everything. I mean, you wouldn't think anything wrong with it. I'll take a walk under this Mustang Fastback and show you the condition under here. Both these rear fenders have been filled, so there's been some rust repair. Usually there should be a drain vent right here with a rubber plug in it, and both sides have been filled, which is pretty typical on these cars. Lots of rubber on these tires here. Got single exhaust. I'm surprised nobody's updated that over the years, but anyway, again, this has been filled in. There's been some rust repair in there, and we don't know what happened with the back end of this car. You can see some welds from the top side of the trunk there. I think the back end of this car was probably hit at one time, and they replaced this section right here because there's weld marks there. But anyway, it tracks good straight down the road and everything. There's no signs of it being bent anywhere else, but it just looks like it's been probably had some work done on it in the past. But the floor pans look pretty good on this car. It's hard to say with some of these seam sealer that they put on here if this pan's been replaced or what, but you don't see the edge right here. It's just this edge they puttied up, so I don't know what all's been done to this car. It's kind of the same on this side over here. They puttied it up pretty good, but you don't see any corrosion anywhere. I mean, the rocker panels are all in good shape. Actually, the numbers I think are stamped in both these rockers too, so that's all factory stamped there. So anyway, the floor pans look pretty good, but then they got some spots like this. It's right where the firewall, it bends up towards the firewall. It's kind of the same on the driver's side too. And I don't know what's going on with this seam across here. It looks like maybe some more rust right in there, but it's hard to say. It doesn't look rough or anything, but there's a reason why they put that putty there. But otherwise, I mean, look at those floor pans. They're pretty solid, really. I can get a good overall shot of the whole floor pan. I mean, look at that. It looks pretty good to me. But it's not a showpiece. And again, the single exhaust. There's the bottom of the automatic transmission. Let's see if I can show you these spots a little bit better, maybe from the front there. See, they covering something over there. There's probably holes in there. They just puttied that up really well. Same on this driver's side. You can actually see holes in this side. Anyway, it's right along there, just not perfect. But, it's a good driver. There's a little spot here. It looks like it's been, like it bottomed out right there on something. But all this looks like it's freshly greased up. Nice new grease in there in front end. Again, lots of good rubber on these tires. Bottom of the 289 all painted up nice. Good driver, not a showpiece. No. It's a car you can enjoy and drive and not worry about getting door dings and stuff like that. Not that you'd want to, but it's not a showpiece either, so wouldn't be the end of the world. Just a nice, clean driver.
I like these Fastbacks. They're neat cars. Here he's coming right at us here. a pretty neat little car. I mean, it's still got a single exhaust on it, so nobody's played with this Mustang to speak of. Rush hour traffic that time of night, but it still gives you a chance to see how this thing runs and drives and works. Because I got heat on it. Radio doesn't do anything. Actually, the light came on. I can see the light come on, but it makes no noise. We're coming back to Drager's Clubhouse now, and I hope you enjoyed this short drive down the freeway and the video. And anyway, I think you should come see Drager's Clubhouse. Give us a call, and we'd be more than happy to talk to you.